In this video, I am taking some different inequalities and to find the solution graphically for these inequalities. As we have discussed the procedure, I will first consider the corresponding equation. Consider the corresponding equation that will become x plus y equal to 5. Now we can easily see that this line is passing through 0, 5 and 5, 0. Now I will take the axis and a suitable scale to show these points 1, 2, 3, 5, 0, 5 point and 5, 0. Now this line is passing through. Now you can see that this is strict inequality. The line and its points are not included in the solution. So I have to use dotted line. I have discussed in the step. I will have to use the dotted line like this. Because all the points lying on this line are not included in the solution. After that, I will write this line is actually x plus y equal to 5, but its solutions are not included, and less than 5 to check this plane or this plane, I will substitute x0 and y0 in first equation. That will be your 0 plus 0 less than 5, which is true and satisfied. So the half plane on the towards side of origin will be required. So I will put an arrow for my convenience and darken this part. This half plane will be your required solution. Shaded region as shown in graph is our required. As shown in graph is our required solution. Is our required solution. Same way, moving to second inequality, we have here minus 3x plus 2y greater than equal to minus 6. Again, I will consider the corresponding equation as minus 6. Again, I will take 2 points on this to plot the line. This is x, y. This x is 0, then y will be minus 3, then y is 0, then x will be yours 2. Now this line is passing through the 2 points 0, minus 3. So I will take a point. Accordingly, I take the scale. This is 1, 2, 2, 0, etc. This is 1, 2, 3. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Now this is passing through 0, minus 3 and 2, 0. These 2 points, because it is slab inequality, it is including the points on the line as well. So I will darken this line. Now again, it is dividing the whole region into 2 parts, this half plane and the upper one. Now whether this half plane is our solution or this, we have to check. For that, I will substitute x as 0 and y as 0. This is 0 plus 0 greater than equal to minus 6. As you know, 0 is greater than any negative number. So again it is true. The region which is having origin is our required part. So what will I do? I will again put a arrow like this. And this half plane, upper half plane is our required solution in this case. Again, we will write in the last shaded region as shown in the graph is our required solution. You can write the equation on the side. This is representing this straight line. Now moving to the third inequation, again we can consider 2x minus 3y as 6 and taking 2 points over here, x and y, x 0, then y will become minus 2. And this is 3 and then 0. Again I will take the graph and we have this x and y. This is 0 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2. This is origin 1 2 3 4. This is 1 2 3 4 3 0. Now this line is passing through this point 0 minus 2 and 3 0. But again there is strict inequality. So this is your dotted. I just using the other color pen to make it clear that this is a dotted line. Otherwise you can use your blue or black pencil. After that we'll have to check whether this half plane or that half plane. Again I'll substitute x as 0 and y as 0 in the given equation. That you will have 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 greater than 6. This is 0 greater than 6, which is not true. Here it is not true. If it is not true, that means the side which is having origin is not our required solution. Otherwise, the opposite one also. The opposite one means we will have to shade like this. This part is our required solution. We will write the scale, etc. everything, x axis, y axis. And moving on to the next part, I am having here 3x minus 6 greater than equal to 0. That means 3x greater than 6. That means x greater than equal to 2. To consider the corresponding equation will become x equal to here. And if I draw a line, this is actually a line, x equal to this is a vertical line parallel to y-axis. You can take some points, x will remain 2 fixed, and this is 1, 2, the line will pass through this 2, and because it is greater than equal to slack inequality, so this is dark line. We will be having this line as 3x minus 6 equal to 0. And now to check whether it is this half plane or this, right or left. So what will I do? Again I will substitute x as 0. So 3 to 0 minus 6 greater than 0. This is minus 6 greater than 0. Not true. Not true means the half plane which is not having origin, that will be your required part. So this side will be having the required shaded region as our solution. Now moving to the last one, we have y greater than minus 2. Again the corresponding equation will become y equal to minus 2. Now this is again a line which is horizontal. If I plot this line, you know that this is horizontal line, this is origin 1 y-axis, this is x-axis, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, etc. So y equal to minus 2 is a line passing through this minus 2 and parallel to x-axis. Now you can see that there is strict inequality. So the line is not included, so I will be taking here dotted line, and this line will be your y equal to minus 2, but we want to show the region, which upper half plane or lower half plane. So what will I do? Again I will check, substitute x0, x is not there, so y equal to 0. So 0 greater than minus 2, this is true. That means the part which is having origin is our required half plane as solution. So what will I do? I will take this side as shade, or you can simply write like this, or you can darken with your pencil.